This penny stock is up over 100% 4 hours before the market opens. It's been up as much as 120% pre-market today. Is it too late to buy? What is happening, investors? It is your boy Jack. I am not a financial advisor. I got the clothing line to prove that fact. And today we're speaking about what is quite evidently a very volatile penny stock. Now the main reason I'm making this video is because yesterday I called these guys in my Discord group. I said it's a potential swing for tomorrow, $150 million market cap, and at the time they were up about 20% pre-market. And at the very end of my message I put some DD in there. I said I could see a big run at market open followed by a quick sell-off, so it may be an in and out trade. Now obviously I call them, they were up 20%, now they're up over 100%. Do I still think it's a buy? First of all, congratulations to absolutely everybody who's in this company, whether you're in my Discord or not. You are more than likely eating good today, so I'm very happy for all of you. I personally can't buy anything pre or post market because my broker doesn't allow me to, so I'm not getting to eat on this one. It is what it is. But essentially, these guys are a medical device company that is digitalizing the interface between the surgeon and the patient to improve minimally invasive surgery. Now, I will say straight off the bat, I don't really see these guys as a very long-term hold, but I have seen some things that would get me excited about swing trading this company. So one thing I want to go through is this. They provided a preliminary 2020 year-end corporate update on January 6th. They are to participate in 2 upcoming virtual healthcare conferences, one of which is today, January 11th, and one of which is Thursday, January 14th. So both of those could be potential catalysts, and this was one of the big reasons I planned on getting in pre-market. We're going to speak a little bit about what they actually do, their laparoscopic platform, and the fact that it was okayed over in Russia, and a few things from their Q3 results, and we're going to really take a look at their EPS and just see how it's gotten better and better and better for numerous quarters in a row now. But of course, my friends, as always when we speak about penny stocks, I would like to remind you that these are highly volatile and they are high risk. So please don't invest any money that you cannot afford to lose, and please don't get too greedy. If you're making money, you're making money. So right before we do get into the video, could I please ask you to hit that juicy like button, drop me a comment down below, let me know what you think of this company. Also, let me know if you're one of the people who bought in before this run up, and please, my friend, if you are indeed new around here, hit that juicy red subscribe button. Also, if you are interested in joining my private Discord group, hit that first link in the description. You will get messages from me doing DD on penny stocks like this, as we did last night before it ran up another 100%. Another stock we call in there is up about 33% pre-market as well. You get access to all of my buy and sell alerts, over 50 private channels, and a community of over 900 passionate investors, baby. What's not to love? And if you want 4 free stocks on Webull, that's the second link in the description, my friends. You gotta sign up, deposit $100. Is that simple, baby. You get some free money. 2 of those stocks can be valued up to $3,700, baby. So they closed Friday off the back of a 28.95% move, and that actually brought them pretty much back up to their weekly high. So you can see, again, this is a penny stock who sees huge volatility. I'm sure a lot of people have been swing trading this on the way up and the way down. If I also show you that monthly chart, you can see it still had considerable moves, but it was really back here, back at the end of December, the start of January, when it really started doing anything significant. So again, like they say here, what they do, they're a medical device company that is digitizing the interface between the surgeon and the patient to improve minimally invasive surgery, and they do so in order to increase control and reduce surgical variability in today's value-based healthcare environment. So straight off the bat, it's an exciting product and it could well have a place in the future. The company was founded back in 2006, and what they use is something called digital laparoscopy. Digitizing the interface enables the use of advanced capabilities like augmented intelligence, connectivity, and robotics in laparoscopy. I know I'm pronouncing that wrong. And it allows us to address the current clinical, cognitive, and economic shortcomings in surgery. And it's available for sale in the US, the EU, Japan, newly Russia, and select other countries. And that's one of the recent highlights. So that system received its registration certificate by the Russian Medical Device Regulatory Agency. A hospital based in Louisiana entered into an agreement to lease and utilize one of these systems. Their first pediatric cases utilizing their system completed in October, representing the first time that 3mm instruments were used in robotic pediatric surgery, and the first surgical procedure successfully completed using the Intelligent Surgical Unit, leveraging augmented intelligence and machine vision capabilities on the system. In 2020, there were 10 of these systems installed under operating leases, 9 clinical programs were initiated, and over 1,450 procedures were performed globally. Now, as of December 31st, the company had about $17.5 million in cash equivalents and restricted cash. The company currently expects to have cash to support operations into the 3rd quarter of 2021. So the first thing that jumps into my head when I see this is there's going to be an offering of some sort if this share price goes up considerably, which it has today pre-market. 4th quarter revenue is expected to be approximately $1.1 million. I'd like to show you guys this, okay? Their last quarterly report we had negative 15 cents EPS. So that seems quite poor, obviously it's negative. The previous quarter was negative 27 cents. So you can see that quarter over quarter there was some huge EPS increases there. It got much better. The prior quarter, negative 59 cents a share, my friends. And you go back another quarter and it was negative 69 cents. So you can see that the EPS has been getting considerably, I mean considerably better. Now you will also see, as I have been zooming out on this chart, they used to be worth a whole lot more. There was a stage where these guys were $84 a share, my friends. So obviously there was quite a large fall from grace there. So I do expect there to be some people who are in these guys for the long term, but again for me, I'm only looking at this as a swing trade, if at all. Now there are a few things from the Q3 earnings call that I think should be noted. They introduced and welcomed a new CFO. He brings over 20 years of financial leadership experience in the healthcare sector to the company. And in addition to significant experience in corporate leadership roles, his background also includes time spent as an investment banker and sell-side equity researcher. Very interesting. Now, just a minute ago, we spoke about the EPS and how it's been getting better quarter over quarter for a considerable period of time. I want you guys to have a look at this. For the 3 months ended September 30th, net lot attributable to common stockholders was $15.1 million, or 15 cents a share, compared to net loss of $97.8 million, or $5.55 per share in the 3 months ended September 30th, 2019. They've turned things around over the last 12 months or so, and I'm really hoping to an extent that this CFO can do even better things for the company, and potentially they could turn to a positive EPS soon. That's why I see the long-term potential that I'm sure some other people are going to be seeing as well. Now remember I spoke about I anticipate a public offering. On July 6, 2020, we announced the closing of an underwritten public offering, including the full exercise of the overall adoption, bringing in gross proceeds of $50 million. Now while recording this video, you can see that they are only up 75% pre-market now, okay? In less than half an hour of me looking at these guys, they've gone from up 120% to up 75%. I want you guys to realize just how volatile this company is, and this goes for the large majority of penny stocks right now. When you see these pre-market moves, they often do come crashing back down. Now I want to bring you back over to the 4-hour chart, okay, because this is something I noticed when I was looking at them yesterday. And you may remember in my Discord message I saw a huge market open followed by a considerable pullback. I want to show you guys some of the technical indicators, okay. Market close on Monday. Look, the MACD is bullish, but look how high up it is, and more than that, look at that RSI. Last time we got to these levels, okay, we went from about 119 a share down to about 80 cents a share. I think this company was put onto a lot more people's radar over the weekend, so that's why I think hype and momentum could take over in the first 15, 30, maybe even an hour worth of trading. There's going to be a huge gap made, okay, we're going to be in extraordinarily overbought territory. I'm expecting a pullback, maybe today, maybe tomorrow. We're going to have to wait and see. Now that doesn't mean it has to close in the red, but I do think there's going to be a considerable pullback, and I want to make you guys aware of that. That's where my head is at right now. My plan for this was a pure momentum play. I was hoping to get in at market open. I was hoping it wouldn't be up more than 30 or 40%, and I was hoping I could just get in and out 20 to 30% within half an hour. If we open up 75%, 100%, 120% up, I'm personally not going to be playing it, my friends. Again, if you do want to know every single play I make, whether it is a swing trade on a penny stock or a long-term investment, you got to join that Discord group, baby. That's the only place to get it in real time. But these guys have secured a place on their watch list for me for this entire week. I'm hoping, really hoping in fact, that these guys can make some support and resistance. I think they're going to have big moves. I could see these guys trading somewhat similarly to a BNGO this week. I mean, not necessarily just going up, 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 but I think we could have some big swings. A lot of money to be made on the way up and the way down. But I would like to again show you guys the stock chart. We don't have too much to play off just yet. I mean, you could turn this high into a support potentially. We have a couple of spikes into it. I wouldn't be happy with that just yet. But anyway, my friends, that was just a quick video I wanted to make on this company. I was going to make this video anyway. I didn't expect them to have gone up so much. The research I've put in over the weekend, I do genuinely like the look of the company. I don't know if I like them at $2 a share. If you watch this video all the way till the end, you, my friend, are a true legend, and I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. If you did enjoy the video, could I please ask you to hit that juicy like button, drop me a comment down below, and please, my friend, subscribe if you're new around here. And again, if you're interested in joining that private Discord group, that's the first link in the description. Again, all of my buy and sell alerts, a community of over 900 investors. We're going to be at 1,000 very soon. Over 50 private channels, just so much juicy information. And if you want those free stocks on Webull, that's the second link, my friends. Anyway, guys, I hope you all have a beautiful, blessed day. I'll see you for another video very soon. Peace.